Our website is now ready to be shared with the world. We have come such a long way so far, and now we're almost at the end. So launching our website is step 6 out of our 7-step plan. This is super easy to do. We just need to follow these 3 steps. First, we need to choose and buy a domain name. For our website, that could be www.omnifood.com. Then we need to buy web hosting. Think of that as a folder in the internet where we'll put all our files. In order to ensure that our website runs smoothly, we need the right amount of bandwidth, and that is the amount of data transfer we are allowed within a certain time period. And once we have both of those things, we just need to upload our website to our web space, and then we're ready to go. Now, there are many domain registration companies and web hosting companies. Of course, I will not tell you which one you should choose. All I can tell you is that I have used GoDaddy.com to both register domain names and buy web hosting. The service there was always great, but of course I can tell you that it's the best web hosting out there, because I have not tried any other service so far. But let me just show you the GoDaddy website and how you could use their product. So this is the GoDaddy website, and here we can start by search for a domain. Let me say Omnifood here. So omnifood.com is available, and there's an auction for like almost 800 euros. But there are other domain names available like omnifood.net, omnifood.co, or omnifood.org. Well, again, I will of course not buy any of those domain names, and I will not show you how you can create an account here or how you can buy domain names and all of that. If you want to do that, just go ahead. It's easy to do, and in GoDaddy you can actually buy the domain and the web space as well. So now suppose you created an account and have now a domain and some web space. Now you want to upload your website, right? So to show you how this works, in this video I will upload the website we just created to the web hosting that I bought for the website of this course, which is this, by the way. So this is under construction so far. So if you have created an account at GoDaddy, then you can very easily log in to cPanel, which is where we can manage our account and the web space and everything like that. So let me just log in here to show you how this looks like. Alright, so here we have all kind of stuff. For example, we can create email accounts, and we can manage all kind of things here. You see, you can then explore this by yourself. But what we need for now is, first I want to show you the file manager, which is, as I said before, like a folder in the internet where we will then put all our stuff. And the folder, so this is our folder, and the website goes inside a public HTML folder right here. So, and how do we upload those files here? We can actually do that inside of brackets. So in brackets there is an extension that we can use to do that, and all we need for that is an FTP account. So FTP means File Transfer Protocol, and this is how we upload files to a web space. So down here you probably already have an account. If you don't, then you can create one, but you probably have one. So this information here is all we need to upload our website to the internet. So let's go back to Bracket, where I will show you a very cool extension, one more. So this one is called FTP Sync Plus. So you can just go ahead and install that. As always, I already have it. And then, once you have it installed, just hit this icon right here. Alright, and now we need those definitions from the FTP. Right? So it's FTP, and now we need the informations. So we hit here configure FTP client, and then we have the server. This is in my case this one. Then the username, and then we need to put our password in here. And then the folder where we want this. So as I told you before, I will actually go back now, back to the file manager. The public HTML folder is where the website will go. Now in my case, I don't want it to be right here, because then I would overwrite all the stuff that I already have here in the public HTML folder, which is my website, which I showed you before. So this one. This is the stuff that I have already here. So I will create a new folder where I will put the OmniFood website, just to show you how this works. So we need to write public HTML, and now I will create a new folder here for OmniFood. Alright, and then I can hit upload. Okay, so it tells me that the folder does not exist, so I can easily create it. So new folder, OmniFood. So I created a new folder here in my web space, and now I can just hit upload. So this extension will take all the files and all the folders from our project folder and upload them to our web space. And another cool thing of this extension is that, imagine we only change one file, and then if we hit upload again here, then it only uploads that exact file. So we can just sit back and watch while Brackets does all the work. So it's now uploading all our files. And this takes a long time, so I'll actually make fast forward in this video, so we don't have to watch all of this. So that's it. All our files are now uploaded to the internet. So let me open the folder I just created, OmniFood, and here we go. Our website is now online on the internet. And it works. I mean, it works exactly as we did it here on our computer. So this live version of the website is the production version, and the one on the computer is the local version. So now you don't only know how to create a beautiful website, now you also know how to optimize it and how to launch it to the internet. This is absolutely fantastic. Now there's only one more thing left that I want to show you, and this is about how you can track your users' behavior in order to improve your website even after launching it.